Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Sri Rawatpura Sarkar University. My name is Sandeep Kumar Verma and I am from Department of Pharmacy. Now we will discuss about the chemical basis of life from human and anatomy. We will study in the anatomy and physiology. We will discuss it about in this video. So let's continue. Introduction. Why the study chemistry in anatomy and the physiology class? First, the body function is depend on the cellular function. Second, cellular function result from the chemical change. Third, biochemistry help to explain the physiological process. Second main heading is structure of matter. What is matter? Anything that take up space and has mass. It is composed of element. And what is element? Element is composed of chemically identical atoms. There are three types of elements. First, bulk element, second, trans element, third, ultra trans element. In this bulk element required by the body in the large amount, that is called bulk element. Trans element required by the body in a small amount, that is trans element, trace element, sorry. Third is ultra trace element required by the body is very minute amount, that is called ultra trace element. What is atom? Atom is the smallest particle of the atom. Show this table. In this table having the some particle of matter. First atom, second electron, third proton, fourth neutron, fifth electron, and last one is molecule. There are have a different characteristic. We will discuss. Another main heading is element and atoms. First, all matter is composed of element. Element are the part of compound. Element are three types: bulk element, trace element, ultra trace element. We will discuss. We are already discussed in previous slide. Fourth is the smallest part of the atom is element. In this slide having a atomic structure. In this structure there is having a atom. In this atom having a proton, neutron and electron. Proton that means positive charge, neutron that means neutral, electron that means negative charge. There is in this atomic structure having a central part that is called nucleus. In this nucleus having a proton and neutron and electron move around the nucleus. What is atomic number? What is atomic mass? What is atomic weight? First, what is atomic number? The number of proton in the nucleus of one atom. Second, each element has a unique atomic number. Third, equal of the number of electron in the atom, that is called atomic. Second, atomic mass. The number of proton plus the number of neutron is one atom, that is called mass number. Electron do not contribute the weight of the atom. Third, atomic weight, average of the mass number of the isotope of an element. What is isotopes? Isotopes, the atom with the same atomic number but with a different mass number, that is called isotope. Different number of neutrons. For example, the oxygen atomic number is 8 and the atomic mass is 16, that is the atom of oxygen. When the atomic mass is O17 and O18, that is called isotopes of oxygen. What is molecule and compound? Molecule, the particle formed when the two or more atoms chemically combine, that is called molecule. What is compound? The particle formed when the two or more atoms of the different element chemically combine, that is called compound. What is molecular formula? the element present and the number of each atom present in the molecule, that is called molecular formula. There is having some examples: H2C6, H12O6, that is glucose, H2O, that is water. Atoms are joined together with the help of bonds. So what is bonding of atom? First, bond from when the atoms combine with other atoms, that is called bond. Second, the electron of atom occupy the region of space that called electron cell, which is circle of the nucleus. Third, for the atom with the atomic number, for example, the atomic number is 18 of any atom, the following rules are applied. First, the first cell can hold up to 2 electrons. Second rule, the second cell can hold up to 8 electrons. Third rule, the third cell can hold up to 8 electrons. Lower cell are filled first. If the outermost cell is full, the atom is stable. There is having some examples of atom. First is hydrogen, the atomic number is 1. Second is helium, the atomic number is 2. There is third element is called lithium. There is the atomic number of lithium is 3. Bonding of atoms. Ion, an atom that gain or lost the electron to become a stable. Second, the electrically charged atom. The ion, there is two types of ion, cation and anion. What is cation? A positively charged ion, that is called cation, formed when the atom lose electron. Anion, a negative charged ion, is called anion, formed when the atom gain the electron. There is having different type of bond. First, ionic bond. What is ionic bond? An alteration between the cation and ion, that is called ionic bond, formed when the electron are transferred from one atom to the another atom. Second bond is covalent bond. It is strongest bond formed when the atom share the electron. For example, hydrogen, there is two atoms of hydrogen, hydrogen atom 1 and hydrogen atom 2. When the reaction is occur, then the form hydrogen molecule H2 with the sharing of same electron. Bonding of atom. Structural formula. Structural formula show how to atom bond and are arranged in the various molecules. There is different type of example. First, H2, H single bond H, that means hydrogen. Second example is O2, that means oxygen, O double bond O. First bond is sigma bond and second bond is pi bond. Third example is water molecule H2O, H single bond O, O single bond H. Fourth example of CO2, carbon dioxide, O double bond C, C double bond O. Bonding of atoms in polar molecule. What is polar molecule? Polar molecule with a slightly negative end and slightly positive end. Second, the result when the electrons are not shared equally in the covalent bond, that is called polar molecule and polar molecule and polar bond. The water is an important polar molecule. Hydrogen bond, a weak attraction between a positive end of the one polar molecule and the negative end of the another polar molecule, that is called hydrogen bond, formed between the water molecule H single bond O single bond H. Important for the protein and nucleic acid structure. It's all about the chemical basis of life. Thank you.